Hello friends, so now let us take a look at the worksheets in Excel. You can see there are three worksheets available over here. These are the default worksheets. You can add the number of sheets by clicking on this button. You can see as I am clicking ahead, the sheets are increasing. You can also rename these sheets by simply double clicking on it, or you can right click and click on rename. So this will help to rename the sheet. As you can see, we are going ahead and we are not able to view our the previous sheet, that is sheet number 1 2 3. For that, what we can do is we can simply click over here and we can go ahead, or else we can click on this button. This will directly take us to the end side of the sheet, that is sheet 1, and this will take us to the last area of the sheet, that is the sheet 12. So we have reached sheet 1. Simply click on it and we can rename this file. I'm writing A and this, double click and write B. You can enter the data in the sheets. Also, you can change the color of the sheet by simply right clicking and clicking on tab color. Select this color, we can change the color. So this way you can rename and change the tab color in worksheet. If you want to create a copy of this sheet, you can just press Ctrl and click on this sheet and drag it. And when you drag, you can see there is a copy has been created, that is B and B2. Two sheets has been created. I will rename this as C and let's shift this before A. In order, what we will do is simply click on it and drag it before A. Now you can see C, A, B. In this way you can arrange the sequence as the way you want.
So now I request you to take a closer look at these two files. This file is bank list, which consists of all the name of the banks, and this is the new file. There is no information inside the new file. Now the thing is that I want to transfer the list of bank into new file. Now what I do is I select both of these files and open them. So now you can see bank list, and this is the new file. So the new file is blank and there is nothing inside the new file, and we want the bank name to be available in this new file. Now here you can see the bank list. So now what I am doing is I right click on the bank name and click on move or copy. So when I click on move or copy, this pop-up will appear and it will ask me where you want to move that file. So I come into the to book drop down, and here I have opened two files. One is black, one is bank list, which is this file, and one is the new file where I want to transfer the data. So I select new file, and here I get the sheets, and here in the before sheet option you can select where you want to transfer that data. As of now I want it between sheet 2 and sheet 3, so I select sheet 3 and I click on this checkbox to create a copy. If you guys don't check in this checkbox, Excel will move the file of bank name to new file, and this file will be no more available in the bank list. So we click on create a copy and we click on OK. So now you can see bank name is available over here. So I request you guys to go ahead and try these options, and we move on to our next tutorial.